How to import contacts. Importing or uploading your contact list is an important step to ensuring that your database has all of your connections. By importing a list of contacts all at once, you can efficiently and effectively ensure that all of your contacts are organized and contain the best data possible. This will help you run your business efficiently and effectively. Please note that if you're not an admin user for your account, you won't be able to import or export contacts. Your user settings can be changed by the admin user, which is usually the person who signed up for or set up your account. That will be changed in Settings, My Staff, and Team Management. Contact support if you need further help. What you'll need to import contacts is a CSV file with the list of contacts you want to import. You'll need to prepare the file and ensure that the top row, row 1, has necessary headers such as first name, last name, email, phone number, tag, anything else that you'd like to include in the import. Next, you'll navigate to the Contacts section of your menu. There are a few different ways you can add contacts in the Import Contact option. In the top left corner, you can click the plus icon to manually create one contact record at a time. The other option is to use the import icon, which is the arrow pointing up, and this will allow you to import the list of contacts using your CSV file to add multiple contacts or import multiple contacts all at once. This is super efficient and effective and highly recommended to do. Again, please note that if you can't see the import or export icons, you will need to ensure that you are set up properly as an admin user under Settings and Team Management. Once you click the Import Contacts, you'll follow the steps in the pop-up to ensure that the list imports correctly. You'll select the file, and then you'll need to map the fields to ensure that the data imports correctly into the CRM fields. The document fields will display on the left and the CRM fields will display on the right. This will show how the data will be transferred from the spreadsheet into the system. Please note that the system is smart enough to do a lot of this on its own, but you may need to just confirm the mapping. For example, if you have first name, last name, email, and phone in your spreadsheet, that will automatically generate into the CRM for first name, last name, email, and phone. But maybe you have additional columns such as birthday, company, favorite food, or anything else like that that you've added. You may need to manually confirm what field you would like that information to be imported to in the system. You'll then need to select a duplicate strategy, and there's a few options for this. The default and recommended option is to update existing contact records with the data from the spreadsheet. The other two options are to update the existing contacts with data from the spreadsheet being imported, overwriting the current data, or to take no action. Please select whatever duplicate strategy makes the most sense for you and your business. Then you can start the import. You can also add any tags you'd like here to the import list. Maybe there is a tag specific to the list being imported, such as where these contacts came from, or you want to include a date tag. You can do that at this time. Go ahead and import the contacts. Please do not click out of the screen while the import is happening. This may take a moment depending on how many contacts you're importing. And then finally, navigate back to your contacts page and you should see those contacts have been added to your system. Ensure that you reload the contacts page and you'll see that the contacts have been successfully imported. Congratulations, you now know how to import contacts into your system. It's as easy as that.